There you go. Yeah. To my fellow warriors, mga pagani, please abangan niyo po ang aming libro for the first time in Philippine history. Maglalabas ang yaw-yan na libro. Taktikang Tani. Against this big, strong man right here, Ken Manchal. There we go. So, as you can see, sayaw ng mga batayan, yaw-yan. We have no more. And we can fight multiple fighters, multiple opponents. And we never use strength to strength. We use our opponent's strength against them. So we go with the force. Yeah. Can you imagine this master boy is actually 65 years old? In fact, just several months ago, he fought in Filipino martial arts. Yeah, an American MMA practitioner, Dr. Tim Hartman, decided